Why does a brand acquire other brands? Reason 1. Bigger is often better. Larger companies enjoy cost savings and competitive advantages that smaller companies usually don't. Reason 2. An acquisition is a great way for a company to achieve rapid growth over a short period of time. Reason 3. Companies acquire other companies for their strategic goals as well. This includes increasing their market share, accessing a new market, acquiring new products and services, etc. When a company is financially troubled, it may try to be acquired by another company. Otherwise, it will declare bankruptcy. Reason 5. Brands that don't adapt to change won't survive. Due to this, many brands look to acquire others that provide them with new technologies and expertise. Reason 6. Geographical diversification. It's better to buy an existing company in a foreign country that is already generating cash and use it as a platform for your own business there rather than starting one from scratch. Reason 7. In order to stay competitive in any given marketplace, companies need to acquire other companies. Thank you and subscribe for more informative videos.